Hey guys, good morning. Today's video, guys, I'm going to the beach. I'm going to a beach near where I live, guys. It's actually walking distance, but hopefully I hope I get a taxi because I'm not into walking. I'm hopefully make it one taxiway will take me to the gate, right at the gate. So you guys, just stay tuned until I get there. Oh my god, a long time I got a beach, you know, guys. You have to say I'm more than 10 years. 2015 and last time I remember of going to Shanshai. So we are going to Shanshai today. No, me I go because we just said we because to me I go pussy. Anyway guys, stay tuned. Guys, I'm here. I reach the beach. And it lonely. Lonely. Nobody knows down here. I wonder which part we change. Yeah guys, so we reach down a Shanshai beach. It really look different. Somebody down here. Hi. So I look for me so. We don't have sun. One time I come down here and come at my sun, nobody down here. Okay, I find one nice little spot. Shanshai. We're at the beach. I can't say I don't care on the summer today. I go try to see if I can change my clothes. Like when I want down here, I can't do too much. Anyway guys, I go change my clothes. So may I come back. Guys, now look, some of it change clothes. Everything change. You see, got them have wedding down there. Imagine you're married and one man carry you, so go married you. But no, we're not different. But not different change clothes down there. Me just anyway guys, me just go just change the public, just put on I like what I want. That's why my girl me wear a dress. Yeah guys, so let's see which part. Let's see where we could change it. That's something full of string like because I should have put it on my damn yard. It's good. You can see the string at back. Here's very long. Let me don't tie string. Wait, bad still. Not string. I'm not fixing a different thing. I think it's string them to get it back. I will try to put it at the back. That's something I make it see. I'm going to change it. This is how it will see. Because I can't find other way to tie. So see you guys. I try to find somewhere see them. I'm not really 100% ready for going in water yet. Oh. Like 100% ready. I forgot to me I want. and the glare of the sun. There's something I love tie up in there. Everybody tired. And you're right with this? Yeah. Okay. You can't see shit in our glasses. Hey guys, so I'm going in the water now, but the water, okay, let me describe how the water looks, guys. The water look low and it come like it full of what's up my name? I always in a sea water. It full of eels. I can try really trim. Anyway, catch right this. I have to go no further. I have to go no further than which family. Yeah. Yeah guys, I'm not go out far because most of the water look like it's full of something there. It's full of seaweed at the bottom of it. I'm glad to me the only person down here still. You know, so I get the full effect. Oh. I'm ready for go me out already. One somebody not supposed to know like that place. Go around so. That push me. I said I can go out more in the water, but when I see for walk, guys, I play seaweed. That's why I want to walk in on the seaweed because I don't want you are good. Look at all fish. All fish. Look at small fine fish there in here. I'm not going no further. I'm going no further than here, so. We're at the beach today, guys. Today's beach day, Monday. Woo! We are washing off some ice crosses. Oh! Pure trash. Pure seaweed. Look at that boat just come in. When boat come in, then I say shark come in with them. And I say, and shark not come in with them. You is pretty and you is pretty. Salt water burn my face. Like anyway, anything they do up on the face. Okay guys, you know, sometimes you have to just go place by yourself, right? Cause then I look funny and I say, me nah go, cause me nah go by myself. No. I'm here by myself. No music now play, so you know it's a girl now get no copyright. Stay that way and look out to the sea. I don't want nothing surprise me back here. Anything where I come, I'm supposed to see it. There's much too much shark show. Watch too much shark show. Make me paranoid. I went back to this thing. Hey guys, I'm just showing around the place. Showing how I go on. Down at the sea. What a big fat man I go. Eh? No sir, not video for. I'm not video. Whoa. I think I tired this one. Let me go sit down for me. Some people love attention and then say ugly. If you did nice thing, wouldn't have something to say to me. it's still cool. Now what then? What? Photographer? Wow. I no photographer.
What do you mean no photographer?
I have my tripod.
Eh?
I have my tripod. The funny.
No matter, I'm not saying about the tripod. We can use a tripod in here, right? But I can't use a tripod on video. You make your go and do your thing and have to take a selfie, you know. Selfie, you did take, you know. Because you hold it and not take yourself. Because
oh, a video? Me a video?
yeah, but you still not see. One of your hands not see.
What am I?
One of your hands not see. Because you take one of the hands and hold it. So.
Okay.
So you enjoy the day there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's a roof.
You don't want a boat ride also.
Eh?
You don't want a boat ride.
Like what me alone, you know.
Sell boat ride, you know.
Yeah, me know. Me hear about it. But like what me alone, me will take no boat ride.
Yeah.
How me alone?
Yeah, I'm afraid of.
I'm afraid of nothing. How much is boat ride? Me always want to know.
We always, like, per person, $1,000 with you.
What's right? Yeah, nice, eh?
Where are you from?
Here, yeah.
You see this right here?
That's a bamboo.
Yeah.
Right there, bamboo.
I'm afraid to go for boat ride because of your loan. I'm afraid to go boat ride because of your loan.
So, I'm here alone and go up on the boat?
Nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Me are the captain and me don't carry with a customer.
You never go up on boat ride it. What you doing, man? Well, now, if I'm here alone.
You want to try it?
That's it.
I just want to get out my gas tank.
Okay.
Alright, let me take out the gas tank.
Yeah, alright. So you guys, somebody just offered me to go. I think I go over Ireland. I never know if it's so cheap to go over boat ride. To go over the island. Guys, I never go for a boat ride. There's no me. I wonder if we go. And then I'm me one. No, so I don't know. I'm afraid. We just have to go just go and do, yeah. I think that money I go do me nothing. Yeah, guys. So, I have my water. I have snacks, you know, in case anything. I never tell my mother say I do no boat ride, and I'm telling her I go and do my sunshine. Look like me should have carry one bag. Because the amount of oil man when you sit down there. I'm not no bag food them in. I'm gonna press the stay down there long. have life. You have life jacket? Eh? You have life jacket? Life jacket. Eh. Oh. Life jacket, guys. So, there's no way I can say no. Oh yeah, me have one YouTube channel, yeah. Oh, yeah. Really come on, me forget them. Oh, you life jacket. I wonder if you know about that go.
Yeah, come.
I want to do boat ride and it's sitting shaky so.
Shaky.
Yeah, it's
You see,
shaky.
that's why I need a boat ride, huh?
Yeah, but it's shaky. It's shaky, man. Ooh, maybe I
You
want.
want a more comfortable ride?
Eh,
Come over more.
like, oh,
You
yeah.
can come all the way down. So you want some more comfortable.
Yeah.
Step over. Step over.
It's a shake up, sir. Sir. So, yeah, sir? Yeah, sir,
Yeah,
good?
man, you can sit on yourself.
Don't mind. Get me. Yeah, which is good.
I'm not really take flat.
Okay. Okay. Give me this, you don't let me surround these. I'm gonna say feel better, yes, sir.
Yeah, because it
Okay.
shallow up here. But don't over there.
Hmm? Oh. Oh yes, I shall yeah, Sebo. Oh, me nah go come out. Me nah go come out for this, cause I'm afraid. Eh? Woo! 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 Yeah, me say hello. Me say hello, but me still afraid. I'm afraid of them sitting here.
Want the grass?
Yeah, me nah.
I
Like-
like grass in there, like that. So. Anyway, I like it. And I have a force if you come.
Yeah, I'm afraid. Yes.
Not force, I'm not gonna confuse you.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, it's a little part of it.
Oh yeah, maybe when me get friend and come, me don't know, and maybe them can give me little boost. I don't know.
You only take my motivation.
No.
See what I mean?
Yeah, that's why. Which oh, okay.
You're from Bumble, so you must know the harbor is right where you find the like when they're at the pier where you look for out.
Oh, what that I harbor?
Yeah.
Mm.
You didn't know all of that?
Me just think I appear. Just think I appear. Navy Island.
You can't swim, right?
Eh?
You can't swim.
Yeah, me can't see my mother teach me. But me no practice it.
So you have moved so forward.
Eh?
You have moved really forward.
Yeah. I don't know, I just like, cause me know say me drop off me way drown.
Yeah?
Me just feel like say the knowledge I make me afraid I.
No, I just your fear. You just want to build up your fear.
Yeah, I'm just afraid. Light over Navy Island.
Yeah?
I say light over there, see.
Yeah, but the wire burst down. So the other post them over mainland, there is a wire around across.
Okay.
You carry the current,
Mm-hmm.
we have them birds. Some birds used to come sleep on the wire, some seabird, and then cut down the wire.
Oh.
Wait at them.
Then I saw them heavy.
You have a few of them come first,
Mm-hmm.
then you have more and more and more. And the more them come,
Mm.
and the heavier they get, and burst down the wire.
Okay.
So you don't think like to go snorkeling and then something?
No, me don't know. Yeah, me that do that, yeah. Me that do that, but me not.
Well, that me I tell you now, say,
Mhm.
it's just things like them there that build up your fear.
Yeah, and that's me not afraid no more.
Yeah? And that's you know, scared anymore and then something.
But me do good. Me do good. I first time I go on boat.
First time you ever come.
Yeah. I think me go on it one time, but a long time though.
Okay.
And me never go far.
Vanessa, your name, right?
Panika.
Vanika.
Yeah,
Okay, Vanika.
Yeah,
So
Panika.
you're new to some. You're learning a lot.
Yeah, at first me ever.
Well, we do have a snorkeling and stuff like that.
Oh, okay, it's not. Oh,
Kind of time when we come, it's like we come with like coward people like you. Get them, well, like how you say you can't swim like a bit.
Yeah, we can't swim little.
You don't know, pretty can't swim.
Yeah, because which part me live what part river there?
Which part of that?
Oh, na jungle gully.
Where you come from? So you see now like give them a life jacket, give them like goggles. If they can't, we take them out to the reef. Once you start to the fish, if you got to you can't do your thing.
Yeah, we got to again.
So you know that kind of build your fear all
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. iPhone, I take one, I still but I want an iPhone this so you kinda can't, manage the water a little bit. What I do, I just make sure say the water now go in the the harbor. Yeah, when me younger, we go a party and we got one brownies dinner. You know brownies, when I used to have brownies, the girl them. Yeah, when me a little bit. We go they go have dinner. It done?
That one, that one that start. That one that go on over that marina here.
No. It's the front. It's the front. No one, you're not in there. You're not in there none at all.
The one we don't go on over here, so I finish.
Yeah, me know it's a neighbor. Now give me a chance. Here it is. Boy, look. One space never there out there, so can me go. The first time we go on one boat out from the island, from over there, so somewhere, yeah, so yeah, then I want somewhere named offshore, off the shore. like I front with it the same way.
And I first year right, but first year take a boat road.
Yeah,
First year have a boat road.
yeah, go
You actually
and go far out. Me never go far. And I will leave for somebody did the funny.
Okay.
Will leave for somebody. Can no party then they have? Then they have party. Me I want to for some after some.
No man, I like that. The pass down. Where the red bull is, the red one is color.
Oh.
That's the main building.
Okay.
This is the whole area. I like complete so far because I'm carry around because I see a lot of turn back. And I see the same place. I'll take you around the island.
Ooh, come to school. Come to school, teach.
Yeah?
Yeah, they come to school. Hi guys. Over to I was by this something so different. Oh, over woman center. Of course, why we would know the history. What the history? Them a make.
You know what it was before the history?
What?
The soldier they used to go here. This was an old food there, not in like the general and then something over there. This was a different.
Yeah, upstairs building they did about the stairs them. That's new.
I guess the one from the top never did it. The third floor.
Oh no, that never did the picture. It never so tall. Yeah, come. Yeah, me left from Oh yeah, I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl, man. It is jumping.
Yeah?
I said I jump with seagull. Why seagull love out? I watch. They catch fish.
Yeah, they go to feed off of the fish.
Okay.
Alright, it's around here, so. On the rock then. Now see if you can see the concrete. Then you go to this. Where you feel like cannon place around here, so. Now see the concrete structure above this, so. So that's a concrete that you see there, so.
Yeah.
Because you sit down, you might ask.
No man, we can't zoom
You
in.
see the concrete structure? That, I said in the cannon place.
I come back alone. Jesus Christ, it's just a rock. Woo! Woo!
Alright, you see them, you know where I rock the boat?
Eh.
Then you have the ripples them in the water. So they just pass under the boat.
Oh.
And then I go up on the reef, go create a wave. And just when them a pass out here, so, deep them break off as wave. So then just travel as ripples.
As ripples, okay. Well,
It's actually a wave still, but in a break.
fuck, I'm afraid. No, sir.
And you have another feature on here, so, on Navy Island. You see, you get a full tour.
Eh? Wait, hurry up and move right so I'm afraid. Hurry up and move out. It a rock too much. I like how it a rock. How over here some people, a Monkey Island people walk across, no?
Monkey Island, no, they don't have. So Monkey Island, they're up Sun side. Up Blue Lagoon side. Monkey Island.
Guys, this is scary.
Round here, so you have an next beach.
Okay. Alright, miss.
Side
Yeah.
there, so.
Yeah,
Nice
man.
like a soft spot.
Yeah, man, miss it. Just let's keep going.
You enjoy so far, though.
Yeah, man.
I like a ripples that you're afraid of.
Kai boat a rock.
Well, that's where the boat will find out. If you notice on the bottom.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you take the right path. You see
Yeah.
it's too flat.
Eh.
It will have more rapid than that. You have a different shape.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
But that was nice. It's feel nice.
Yeah.
You used to it, so you don't come like that.
But to me.
Let's get up on the other side. You come back on the other side. But we now go back up there. So. Just out of round line.
Go straight down to Shan.
The reef,
Yeah.
you can't come across the reef.
Oh.
Inside the reef is much calmer.
Okay.
So we just go down to the end, and by the time we reach the end of the reef, I'm actually down to the alright with us here?
Yeah. The reef.
I give you a bonus today now, because you are the only guest we see.
Oh. I must say, try during the week.
Yeah?
During the week. Weekend time, don't you no pack?
Sometimes.
Oh.
Also like one holiday week, like all the summer. Don't know that pack every, don't set pack week, don't there every week.
Yo.
Sometimes you just have to pack company. You understand? But you try you alone. The next time you come out there, you will be in a fear, man. Because you don't expect where you have a feel already. And where you have a feel. So this is the reef now where you put a cup and go start. Right out there.
Oh. And oh.
Like out, your camera can go down under the water.
Yeah. Can make right as in?
Yeah?
Is there nobody that knows how can make us in?
Okay, but I just think, just like when I climb the bank to the house, what do you mean? I look for foundation for that building.
Bill, yeah. Yes, sir. Money never knows it goes now. Hey guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna leave the beach now. Today I was very adventurous. Yeah. I'm gonna say, I go walk and say I get one taxi where I go my way. So see you guys tomorrow in another video.